Best Shopify customer service apps. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you some of the best Shopify customer service apps. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create, manage, and grow their own online stores, in which it offers an all-in-one solution with tools for designing a storefront, processing payments, and managing inventory and handling shipping logistics. With its user-friendly interface, customizable templates, and a wide range of apps and integration, Shopify make it easy for user to build a professional online presence without requiring extensive technical skills. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or alternatively, you can click the Start Free Trial button on the top right corner. And after signing in, you will now be able to be directed on this homepage of Shopify. And now to proceed, all you need to do is to click the Add Apps button on the left side panel, and in this pop-up window, it will show you the apps. Then click Shopify App Store button to proceed. Then you will automatically be directed on the next tab in here. Under the Shopify App Store, just simply click or search the application for customer service. The first one is this app, which is Gorgeous. By simply entering here, it will show you all of the results below. So kindly click this one, the first one in here. And upon doing so, you will be able to see here all of the overview of this application in Shopify, where it will show you that it offers a $10 per month and free trial available, in which it highlights a popular with new business, making sales, and works with done with a rating of 4.2 in here. It also supports Ali support channels in one place, email, chat, social, voice, and SMS, enable customers to self-service with FAQ and order management, and many more. It also works with checkout, Shopify, Flow, Klaviyo, Attentive, Recharge, and many more. So basically, Gorgeous Help Desk is an extension of your Shopify store, bringing all the customer conversations together into one unified platform. And below it will show you some of the pricing plan that they offer. As you can see, they offer a starter plan amounting to $10 per month. They also offer here a basic plan, pro plan, and advanced plan. For the starter plan, this is basically what they offer, which is 3 customer support agents, PT tickets per month included, and live chat. And below it will show you some of the reviews from other users who already install and use this kind of application. And as you can see, it has a 4.2 ratings, which is also quite impressive. And now to see the demo store, we can simply click this View Demo Store button, where you will be able to be directed on the next page in here. And as you can see, this is basically how you can start booking a demo on this Gorgeous. All you need to do is simply enter your working email, name, and many more. Then proceed by clicking Book a Demo after filling out the required information. Now moving on, aside from that, you could also play this YouTube video of their overview of the Gorgeous Help Desk chat to see what this Gorgeous all about. So that is the first one on the list. Now the other one in here is called TDO. By searching on it on the top panel, you will now be able to see here all of the results below after clicking enter on your keyboard. Then simply proceed by clicking the TDO live chat and AI chatbots, and after that it will show you in here that it has a 4.6 ratings, and it offers a free plan available, free trial also available in here. It highlights the popular with business, and even making sales, works with done, team, and many more. It also offers a feature to talk to your visitors on live chat, work alongside with Lyra AI bot to automatically solve your customer questions, and many more. It also offers or works with Zendesk, MailChimp, Google Analytics, and other integrations in here. While in terms of pricing plan, they offer a free plan in here, customer service, flows, Lyra AI chatbot, and as you can see, each plan in here has corresponding prices and list of features or benefits it offers. Now below under reviews, which is also quite impressive, that has a rating of 4.6. Below it will show you some of the positive feedback from other users or already install this kind of application for live chat. And now to start booking the demo store, can click this button, View Demo Store once again, and upon doing so, you should be able to be directed on the next tab, where you can start filling out or testing the demo in here, or simply browsing what it looks like of TDO. And now going back in here, aside from this, we can start also clicking the video to look what is this overview of video live chat and how does it help our businesses in here. Now moving on, aside from that, the third best customer service application aside from TDO and Gorgeous is this Chatty. Upon clicking on it, it will show you the result below, which is this AI Chatty, chatbot, and live chat. With a perfect rating of 5 star in here, it also offers a free plan and free trial. And it will show you that Chatty is all-in-one that can convert all the customers into sales with live chat powered AI, chatbot like ChatGPT and many more. It also offers FAQs hub, beautiful chat widget, order tracking, and mobile app. And it also works with WhatsApp, email, Messenger, and any other integration. Now in terms of pricing, as you can see, they also offer a free plan, basic plan, and pro plan with the corresponding prices and list of benefits included in here. So you can simply compare all the features it offers depending on your business needs. And below, if you scroll down, it will show you that it has a 5-star overall rating, which is also impressive for a perfect score to get from other user or customer in here. Now moving on, to click the view demo store, we can simply navigate the demo on how to book the demo in here on Chatty AI chatbot, where it will show us in here that we can click the start now free to proceed. So this is basically the website of this Chatty AI, where we can simply browse and scroll down until we navigate the other features of it. Moving on, you could also click here all of this importance interface of this Chatty AI to see what the dashboard looks like. And now you can simply click the install button to use this. And now the last customer service application on Shopify in here suggested is this SB Help Center, and it will show you below some of the result in here. And all you need to do is simply click on it in here, this one, with 4.7 rating from other user that has been tried or installed this kind of application. It also offers a free to install and free trial as available, in which it helps you to enhance your customer support with Help Center, quickly create informative FAQs in a few clicks with ChatGPT 4, and it offers 25 plus templates for FAQ page, easily add products, and many more. It also works with Longshop, ChatGPT, and Facebook Messenger. And now in terms of pricing plan, it is also free to install. Offer basic plan, standard, and advanced plan with the corresponding prices and list of benefits included. And from here, by clicking this view demo store, it will show us what this demo store of SP looks like. So this is basically the interface of it that we can start navigate once to install it. So basically, you can simply choose any of these customer support service application, in which it is important because it enhances the overall shopping experience, builds customer trust, and increases sales. And overall, that is just basically some of the best customer service apps in Shopify.